Ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? In the digital age, YouTube has emerged as a dynamic platform that allows millions of people to share, explore, and connect around the world. Its popularity has skyrocketed in recent years, turning ordinary individuals into global sensations and small businesses into thriving enterprises. It's a space where creativity, passion, and ideas can be turned into engaging content and shared with a global audience. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a passionate cook, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone with a story to tell, YouTube offers you a platform to reach out to people who share your interests. The beauty of YouTube is that it doesn't discriminate. It is a platform for everyone. The potential is enormous, and the best part? It's accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. So, are you ready to jump in? Stick around as we break down the process of creating a YouTube channel into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you need to set up your YouTube channel. Now, setting up your channel is a fairly straightforward process. Start by creating a Google account or use an existing one. This is your passport to YouTube. Once you're logged in, head over to YouTube and click on your channel under the user icon. You'll be prompted to create a new channel. As you go through this process, you'll need to pick a name for your channel. This is crucial. Your channel name is your identity on YouTube. It should be relevant to your content and catchy enough to remember. Think of it as your brand. It's what will set you apart from the millions of other channels. So, spend some time brainstorming. Make a list, bounce ideas off friends, and pick something that resonates with you and your potential viewers. Now, on to the layout. Your channel layout is like the cover of a book. It's the first thing people see when they visit your channel. So you want it to be visually appealing and inviting. YouTube offers a variety of layout options. You can customize it to suit your style and the type of content you plan to create. Your channel art, which includes your banner and logo, should reflect your brand. It should be visually consistent with your channel name and the content you plan to produce. Remember, consistency is key in branding. Also, don't forget about your channel description. This is where you briefly tell viewers what your channel is all about. Make it interesting, engaging, and most importantly, honest. Don't promise content you can't deliver. And lastly, link your channel to your other social media platforms. This is a great way to build a community around your brand and drive traffic to your channel. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up your YouTube channel. It might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of patience and creativity, you'll have your channel up and running in no time. Once you've set up your channel, it's time to create some content. Content is king on YouTube. Remember that phrase because it's the cornerstone of your success on this platform. It's not just about having a channel, but what you put on that channel that truly matters. Let's unpack this a little bit, shall we? High-quality, engaging content is your ticket to the big leagues. But what does this mean? High quality doesn't necessarily refer to the production value, although that can help. It's more about the value that your content brings to your viewers. Are you teaching them something new? Are you making them laugh or think? Are you offering a unique perspective? Whatever it is, your content should be something that your viewers can't get elsewhere. Engaging content, on the other hand, is content that hooks your viewers in and keeps them watching. Do you start off with a bang? Do you end with a cliffhanger? Do you ask questions and encourage responses? These are all strategies to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but how do I come up with ideas? Well, that's where brainstorming comes in. Set aside some time each week to just sit down and think. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable about, and what you think your viewers would enjoy. Write everything down, no matter how silly or outlandish it might seem. Remember, some of the best ideas come from the wildest thoughts. Once you have your ideas, it's time to plan your content calendar. This is where you decide when and what you're going to post. Consistency is key here. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every day, make sure you're sticking to your schedule. Your viewers will appreciate knowing when to expect new content from you. Now that you have some content, let's talk about how to get people to watch it. Getting views on YouTube isn't just about creating great content. It's about getting that content in front of the right eyes at the right time. This is where channel promotion comes in, an essential part of your YouTube journey. Let's start with social media promotion. Here, the goal isn't just to post links to your videos, but to build a community. Share behind-the-scenes photos, ask questions, engage in trending conversations. The aim is to create a space where people want to engage with you and your content, even when they're not on YouTube. Next up, collaborations. Teaming up with other YouTubers can help you reach new audiences. Look for creators who share similar interests but have a different perspective or style. This way you can offer something new to both your audiences. Remember, collaboration isn't just about growing your subscriber count. It's about building relationships within the YouTube community. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. To put it simply, SEO is about helping YouTube's algorithm understand your content. This includes using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Also, consider your thumbnail and title as a pair. They should work together to tell a compelling story about your video. But promotion isn't just about reaching new people. It's also about engaging with your existing audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, create community posts. Engaging with your viewers shows them that you value their input, and it helps to build a sense of community around your channel. Lastly, don't forget about consistency. Consistency in posting and promoting your content can help you build and maintain momentum. It shows your audience that you're committed, and it gives YouTube's algorithm more opportunities to put your content in front of viewers. Promotion is crucial, but there's one more key ingredient to YouTube's success. So you've set up your channel, created some content, and started promoting. Now how do you make money and grow your channel? Monetization on YouTube is a multifaceted affair. It's not just about the ads you see before or during a video. There are several ways you can earn money from your channel. First, there's ad revenue. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money from ads on your videos. This includes display, overlay, and video ads. It's important to note though that ad revenue can vary widely based on factors such as your audience's location, your video's watch time, the type of content you produce, and the current market for advertising. Next, there are channel memberships. Your fans can directly support your channel with monthly payments in exchange for perks like badges, new emojis, and other goodies. This is a great way to build a community and steady revenue stream around your channel. Then, there's merchandise shelf. If you've got a knack for design or a catchphrase your fans love, why not put it on a t-shirt or a mug? YouTube allows you to showcase your official merchandise right below your video. And let's not forget about sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to partner with. If your content aligns with a brand's vision, they might sponsor your video or offer you free products for review. Growing your YouTube channel, on the other hand, involves creating engaging content consistently, hosting giveaways, creating series or themed content, and interacting with your audience regularly. This not only helps in developing a loyal fan base, but also boosts your visibility on the platform, attracting new viewers. Remember, monetization and growth don't happen overnight. It's a journey filled with learning and experimentation. You'll need to be patient, persistent, and open to trying new things. It's also crucial to keep up with YouTube's ever-evolving policies and trends. With hard work and persistence, you can turn your YouTube channel into a successful venture. Starting a YouTube channel might seem daunting, but it's more achievable than you might think. We've journeyed through the key steps together: setting up your channel, creating engaging content, promoting your channel, and exploring monetization and growth strategies. Remember how we discussed the importance of creating a unique brand and staying consistent with it? Or the value of quality content that resonates with your audience? We also touched on the power of social media promotion and collaborations to expand your reach. And let's not forget the potential for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise once you've built up a solid subscriber base. Each of these steps is a learning experience, a chance to experiment and refine your approach. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the journey. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Your journey starts now, so why not give it a shot?